Let us consider this problem of finding the PDF of xy when the joint density function of x and y is given. Let us use the concept of transformation of random variables. Let u is equal to xy and v is equal to y be the transformation, which implies x is equal to u by y and y is equal to v, which again implies x is equal to u by v. What is y? It is v. So you express x and y in terms of u and v, right? Yes, we have done it. And then you find the Jacobian of transformation, dou x by dou u, dou x by dou v, dou y by dou u, dou y by dou v. Dou x by dou u is 1 by v. Dou x by dou v minus 1 by v square. Dou y by dou u is 0. You don't have u here. Dou y by dou v is 1. So you have 1 by v as the answer. Right? Now let us find g of u comma v, which is f of x comma y into Jacobian of transformation. F of x comma y is x plus y, but you want everything in terms of u and v. What is x? U by v. What is y? V into what is j? Modulus of j? 1 by v. Multiply, you get v square plus 1. Fine? Okay. Now let us think about the range of transformation. See, the range of transformed variables 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 implies x is nothing but u by v, right? And 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 1 implies v 0 less than or equal to y is nothing but v, right? So 0 less than or equal to v less than or equal to 1. See, from this 0 less than or equal to u by v implies, when you cross multiply, 0 less than or equal to u, that is u is greater than or equal to 0. This is the first implication. You consider this right hand side of the inequality. See, you get u is less than or equal to v. This is the next information you have. And here you have v is greater than or equal to 0. And this part says v is less than or equal to 1. Okay. Let us identify the region of integration. Let me represent u on x-axis and v values on y-axis. Okay. These are my values of 1 and 2. Sorry, 1 and 2. Right. Now let us plot all these information. U is greater than or equal to 0. Which is your u equal to 0? U equal to 0 is this line. Right? On this line it is 0 comma, sorry. On this line u is equal to 0. And on this line v is equal to 0. We have represented v values on y-axis. So the equation of this axis is u is equal to 0 and this is v is equal to 0. So u greater than 0 means this area, v greater than 0 means this area. This has been represented. This has been represented. To represent this, you plot the line u is equal to v. Where u is equal to v? See this. Let me have 2 points and join these points by means of a straight line. Okay. So this is my u is equal to v. Now u should be less than or equal to v. Where u is less than v, you just take this point 1 comma 0. Here u is greater than v. So you put an arrow mark in the opposite direction. 0 comma 1, u is less than v. You consider this point 0 comma 2, u is less than v. Okay, fine. Now let us consider the next information. V is equal to 1. v greater than 0 has been considered already. Now v is equal to 1 is this line. This is the line v equal to 0, and on this line v is equal to 1. V should be less than 1 means this is my area, less than 1, right? V is less than 1. So, fine. So, this is the region of integration. Now, let us come to the next part. We are in the need of we are in need of the distribution of u is equal to xy. So, g of u is, you should integrate g of u comma v with respect to v. With respect to v, what is the range for v from this line to this line? The region is from this line to this line. This line is u is equal to v, right? U is equal to v. So, here v is equal to u to v is equal to 1 is the range of integration. V is equal to u to 1. You are integrating from this line to this line, right? This is the guiding line. So, integral u to 1, u by v square plus 1. We have already derived g of u comma v. So, you have integral u to 1, u v power minus 2 dv plus integral u to 1 dv, right? So, u v power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. The limit is from u to 1. V, the limit is from u to 1. So, u by minus 1, 1 power anything is 1, minus u power minus 2 plus 1 plus 1 minus u. So, you have minus u into 1 minus u power minus 1 plus 1 minus u. You just multiply minus u, minus into minus plus 1 plus 1 minus u. So, you have 2 minus 2u. So, write g of u is equal to 2 minus 2u, right? And what is the range of u? U is from 0 to 1. 0 less than or equal to u less than or equal to 1. 0 otherwise. Okay. So, this is your distribution of xy, right? You should be clear with this range of integration. U is equal to 0. U values are plotted on x-axis. V values are plotted on y-axis. U equal to 0 is this line, right? On this line, u is 0, 0, 0, comma 0, 0, comma 1, u is 0, 0, comma 2, u is 0. So, u is equal to 0 is this line, and this line is v is equal to 0. This line is v is equal to 1, and this line is u is equal to v. By plotting all these lines and identifying the region as given by the inequality, you will get the range of integration. Okay, thank you.